Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And so guys, while making this video, I was not doing good at all, and throughout the whole video I might seem so down. I know this is not a reason to come up with, and I'm really sorry and hope you guys would understand it, but I really have to let you guys know. And welcome back to this blue corner again, or my blue cow. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, well, this is the spot where I sit down and do my beauty boxes video. So for today's beauty box video, there is only gonna be one beauty box, and when I do this kind of video, there's always more than one box.
Or more than 2 boxes?
Well, I was supposed to have 3 boxes altogether. The other 2 boxes are not here in time at all.
When I waited 2 days, I waited today.
And I was finally like, it's time to actually do a video because I waited too long. And I really wanted to put up a video. Before we jump into the video, I just want to let you guys know I was thinking to do a haul video with this video, but I thought it would be a little weird. And also, do you guys want me to come up with haul video? I have been doing lots of beauty shopping in the last 2 weeks, or a little more than 2 weeks. Not a whole lot shopping, but just when I actually do go shopping, I don't buy I don't do like a huge shopping kind of thing. What I do is I just go shopping once, buy a little bit, get back, and do next shopping for the other day and get back and do. That's how I roll. It's been a while that I've been buying those products, and I think it will be kind of nice to do a haul video with the product I bought too. What do you guys think about haul video? Do you think like you guys gonna like it? Is it like, yes, go for it, or it's more like, I hate it, don't do it? If you guys think I'm going a little crazy on this kind of video, what I'm trying to do here is actually bring as much as variation to my channel. I know my main focus revolves around makeup and beauty, stuff like that, but I think diving on to different variation just relating to makeup would be pretty good thing to my channel too. I'm in a point where feedback is much appreciated, more than it's much needed. I really want your guys' opinions to flow through me, and I'm not just talking for the haul video, I'm talking for like overall for my whole channel, and also for future video. Like if you guys want a certain makeup look with the certain or specific product you have, if you guys let me know, I would definitely get to it. Whatever is it, just let me know, and I think I'll be really happy to do it. Ending on that note, let's carry on with the video and do what I was here for. So the only beauty box for this video and first time featuring on my channel is this box is BY SEPHORA, which retails for $10 per month, and there is also no shipping fee at all. As you can see it from the name, it's from Sephora, so all the product they send in is available in Sephora. In this box, they send you 5 to 6 sample size items every month, which includes mix of beauty item, makeup, hair care, and skincare products. There's also a huge variation in the product, and it also depends what you get for that month too. This box never claims for full-size product. They are strictly sample sized. If you hate getting sample size or small amount of product, then this might not be the box for you, because sometimes it's so little, it's more like sample of sample. You got what I mean? It's more like that. I know their size sucks, but at the same time, I've never been disappointed till this month on their products at all. And that is also the reason why I'm still subscribed to this box. So let's just jump in. This is what inside of the box look like. So they always come up with a bag and a paper, more like a tip and tricks. And in this paper, they had a coupon. Not a coupon, but more like a point. So what you do with that card is when you go shopping at Sephora in store, not online, you take that card, and with any purchase you get the point. I think it's always 50 point extra. Honestly speaking, I really don't get use out of this bag at all. The only time I use this bag is just right now, like every month. I think the points is kind of pretty cool too. I've been subscribed for like at least 6 months or more than 6 months, but I've never ever been on the store, because for me Sephora is very far, so everything I do is online. So the card every month is worthless, but I always hold on to it just in case like there's a chance. It's just like extra points, so you can actually build it up for future rewards. So let's just jump in and see what they had to offer. So the very first item I have is an eye makeup, which is a Drama liquid pencil long wear eyeliner in Burley. The size of the product inside, and this weighs 0.018 ounce. It's a long-lasting, richly pigmented eyeliner that glides on smoothly and is easy to use. Apply along the lash line on the upper and lower lids. Blend for a smoky look. And I think this will work out pretty fine since it's just eyeliner and you're not going to use it much. Especially when you had to put it in your purse. This is the perfect size and it's Lancome. I bet it's good too. For the second item, it's from the Sephora brand itself, from their Sephora collection. This is Robe Matte Lipstick in Rebel Chic. And this is the size of the lipstick inside, and this weighs about 0.035 ounce. I really think this is so cute. Like, it's one of the cutest, tiniest lipstick. And I'll be actually reading what the card says, and this says a super matte yet ultra conditioning lipstick in flattering long-lasting berry shade. To use, apply to a moisturized lip directly. Blot for longer lasting color. And also with the lipstick, I don't think you run out so much, and I think this will work out too. The next product here is also a lip makeup from NARS, and they say it's the best seller. This is NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Let's Go Crazy. And this is the size of the lip pencil inside the box, and this weighs around 0.06 ounce. And it says it's a creamy cult classic lip pencil in Paradise Pink shade for bright matte color. To use it, apply directly to moisturized lip or pat on with your finger to create the perfect just button effect. I really love NARS lip pencil. I think their products are really good. But I'm really not a great fan of the color, but I can always mix two color and create my own color. Moving on to the fourth product, which is Peter Thomas Roth from X Peeling Gel. This is the packaging, and I've never seen it or never heard it or never used it before. And this weighs around 0.5 fluid ounce, and it says it's an exfoliating gel powered by multiple fruit enzyme to reveal a glowy complexion. By the name, it's an exfoliator, and it says apply generously to clean skin, massage gently, and then rinse with water. Use 1 to 3 times per week. And with the size of this, it looks like it's just gonna last a week. So the fifth item is by Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. I've heard so good thing about it. And it says it's a lightweight eye cream for a boost of moisture and refreshed looking eye. And to use it, after applying moisturizer, pat a small amount around eyes area using your ring finger. And this is the container, and this weighs 0.17 fluid ounce. So that is it for the 5 sample size product for their box. And like I said, they always have one extra, that is bonus fragrance or a bonus perfume. This month I got perfume by Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. I do really like this perfume too, and this is like a typical sample size, which weighs 0.04 fluid ounce, and you can see the size in my hand. This is how it is. It says it's from Warm and Spicy Fragrance family. The top note is jasmine, middle note is orange blossom, base note is patchouli. This warm and spicy fragrance is like a boutique of sweet flowers mixed with deep woody notes. That's what it says. So that actually wraps up this video. Hope you guys been enjoying and will enjoy the upcoming videos. Like I said earlier, your words really means a lot or is much needed for now. So please leave your words down in the comment section below, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you guys really did enjoy this video, please leave down a comment below. If you want to see any other video from me, please just let me know. I will definitely get into it. And I'm going to be back with my next video. Till then, bye. And this is the size of the lip. And this is the size of the lipstick. which ways. I can't do this. So frustrating.